Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USDCHF, US dollar, Swiss franc for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you're stuck in trades of Euro, USD, GBP, USD, then do check out the Forex Analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro, USD, Gold, USD, GBP, USD, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of USDCHF in front of us right now, and as you can see that I have got many lines here on the chart. Don't get confused, I'll be explaining them one by one. So let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of USDCHF and what will be our best trading opportunity or the opportunities on the USDCHF on Monday. So let's get started. So if you look at the overall trend of the USDCHF, then we can see that we do not have any proper trend. Okay, we do not have any proper trend here. The market looks kinda choppy, kinda sideways. If you look at the overall chart of USDCHF, we do not get any proper picture like USD CAD, Euro USD, where the market is in clean up trend or clean down trend. This is not a clean chart. Okay, this is rather a sideways market or a choppy market. And if we look at the present trend of the market here, we can see that the present trend is also telling us the same story. This is a sideways market or this is a choppy market, and you can see that there was a sudden fall. Okay, there was a sharp fall on USDCHF during the last closing hours on Friday, and the main reason is that there was also a sharp fall or selling pressure on the DXY chart. This is a chart of US dollar here, and if you do not know, then US dollar has a direct correlation with the USDCHF. Whenever US dollar goes up, USDCHF also goes up, and whenever US dollar goes down, USDCHF also goes down. And right now you can see that US dollar is bullish. Okay, US dollar looks bullish on the chart, but on Friday, okay, there was some selling pressure and US dollar broke the support. Right now you can see that dollar is trading or dollar closed below the support, and unlike the previous times, dollar does not look bullish right now. So there is a possibility that market may see some selling pressure on Monday as well on US dollar. So if dollar starts going down from here, then definitely USDCHF will also go down. And if on Monday dollar tries to recover and regain its position above this trend line, above the previous support, then definitely we will see some good buying on the USDCHF chart as well. So this is a chart of USDCHF in front of us right now. So this is a resistance on the chart, and we do not need this resistance on Monday. So let me remove the resistance here. So the main level or the most important price level on the chart of USDCHF is this level, this black line, 0.9180. And my dear friends, if you do not have this line on your charting platform and you are trading on USDCHF, then this line deserves a spot. Okay, so I'll request you to draw this trend, draw this line, horizontal line, so that you can understand the market better. 0.9180, and this level is important because this level belongs to the weekly chart. This is the weekly chart of USDCHF, and you can see that market is unable to cross this level for quite some time. You can see that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 for more than 2 months. For more than 2 months, USDCHF is struggling to cross this level. Whenever price goes up, there is a sudden selling pressure on the market, and ultimately market closes below the resistance level, and therefore we are still seeing the same story. History is repeating again and again on the USDCHF. So therefore there should not be any doubt in our mind that this is the strong resistance for the USDCHF chart. So on Monday, okay, so on Monday, if you see the market going up from here, okay, then or Tuesday also in the coming week, whenever you will see USDCHF going up from here, then just keep in mind that this is a resistance from the weekly chart, and there is a good possibility that market will be reversing. Okay, market will be reversing from here. So in case market reverses from this level, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, doesn't matter in the future, if it reverses, definitely you will get a good position to short the market at this level. And that's why I'm emphasizing on this level so much, so that you do not miss the trading opportunity in the future as well. But right now you can see that market is trading here, and apart from this resistance level, we have got we have a resistance, sorry, support in the form of a trend line here. You can see that after joining these two price levels, we have a trend line on the chart of USDCHF. Okay, and apart from this trend line, which is this support, okay, we also have a temporary support on the USDCHF chart. So this is the support 1, and this trend line is a support 2. The support 1 is 0.9100. This red line is the temporary support 0.9100. So on Monday, there is a good possibility that market will take support and bounce from here. Now listen to me carefully. Things may get complicated from here. So on Monday, there is a possibility that market will come down after the market opening. Market come down and bounce from here. Okay. If market bounces from here, go for buy. Okay, go for buy. Just look at the chart of DXY once, or the chart of US dollar once, just for confirmation. If you see that dollar is also going up from here, dollar is also trying to recover the loss, okay, then obviously USD CHF will be a buy, and you can go for buy. Just make sure dollar is also going up. If you see that dollar is going down, then my dear friend, do not initiate any buy position on USD CHF. Clear? And on the other hand, okay, if USD CHF crosses this level and goes down further, do not short the market. Okay, do not short the market. Your next trading opportunity will be at this trend line. So if market fails to bounce from here and goes down, then you'll get a next trading opportunity at this trend line. So when market will hit the trend line here, then just observe the price and see how the price is doing. If you see that price is respecting the market and bouncing from here, then you can go for the trend line. Buying at the trend line, you'll get a confirmation that yes, market is respecting the trend line as a support, and then you can go for buy order. Again, you need confirmation from the chart of DXY. Actually, this is just an additional confirmation. Without confirming also you can trade, but when we know that it has a direct correlation with the USDCHF chart, then why we should not confirm, isn't it? That's why I'm saying that you should focus on confirmation. So only go for buy when it will bounce from here. That's it. And to bounce from here, we have got two levels. 0.9100. If it bounces from here, well and good, you can go for buy. On the other hand, if it fails to hold the support level and goes down, then there's a possibility that market will be bouncing from this trend line. So these are the two trading opportunities for Monday right now. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you want to become a part of my Pro Trader membership program, then just go to my website, and under the Pro Trader program, Pro Trader option, you will find all the necessary information where I share the daily market analysis and the best trading opportunities to my members. Okay, if you are interested, just go to the information. And if you want to learn to trade from me, if you want to do analysis like me, then just go to the workshop section on my website. You'll find all the information and everything that you need. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you on Monday again. Bye bye.